Hello, my name is Christy Cardenas. My mentor and my product owner for my project is Masood Sajadi. The purpose of this video is to give you a rundown on how to maintenance a pure Martingale expert advisor using the source tree and using the Jira Bitbucket website. This is already assuming that your professor had already given you an account on Jira and that you had already installed the source tree website software. Going on into the Bitbucket website, we have to be on the E4Forex data folder. Once we're on it, we will want to be on the development branch, and we want to clone it. So we're going to click clone in source tree, and we're going to open in source tree, and source tree will automatically boot up. Once it boots up, it's going to ask you for where you want to clone all this files into which folder. So it's wise to make a new folder. So we're gonna do just that. We can name it anything. So we're